Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls issue on Motorola Razr Fold. First of all, try adjusting your volume using the side buttons of your smartphone. Make sure that you have the silent mode disabled, and also tap the three-dot icon in order to adjust your call volume using the mixer. Okay. Also, swipe down the control center and disable Bluetooth right here to outrule the possibility that your sound is getting outsourced to your Bluetooth device. And also try physically clean your device's earpiece, which is located right here above your device's camera. To do that, only use the soft brush. Do not use any cloth or any paper towels. Also, do not use any metallic tools. Use a soft brush to carefully clean it, or just switch to a speaker if you can. Also, try testing your microphone with another, or testing your speaker or earpiece with another application like WhatsApp, for example, and try restarting your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. Okay, and if the restart doesn't help you, let's go to settings, scroll down to system. Now here, select reset options and reset your mobile network settings. Confirm, enter your PIN code, tap reset settings, and then check your device once again. And if this doesn't help you, also try resetting your device settings. And this should definitely help you out in your case, unless it's some sort of a hardware issue. In such case, you should reach out directly to Motorola customer support service and notify them about your problem. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.